Hello everybody, here is your Core Bytes number 75, so please make sure you make your changes and corrections on your copy. So the first one says, what is the next number in the sequence? And that's awesome because we've been doing patterns and skip counting in math. So if you look at it, how do we go from 2 to 4? Well, we can go 2 times 2 to get 4, right? But that's not the pattern because 4 times 2 is 8. So we've got to think for a minute. So if we try a different number, so let's try 3. So if we multiply 2 times 3, we get 6. Take away 2, we get 4. So if we multiply by 3 and then subtract 2, okay? So let's try that for the next one. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, so far it works. All right, 10 times 3 is 30. 30 minus 2 is 28. Okay, so let's try one more. So 28 times 3, you might have to work this one out. So 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 2, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you get 84. 84 minus 2 would give you 82. So that one was a bit intense, guys, but if you just keep working at it with those numbers, you can figure it out. For number 2, estimate the product by rounding each factor to the nearest 10 and then multiplying. So if we're going to round to the nearest 10, we're going to have to see here. So we've got our 7, and we've got our 4, okay? So the 6 is going to tell the 7 go up to 80. The 2 is going to tell the 4 stay the same. Okay? So you're going to have that. So an easy way to do it is just do your regular numbers and then add your 2 zeros. So 8 times 4 is 32. Add your 2 zeros and you get 3,200. For your next one, we have some fractions. If 7/10 equals 70 hundredths, find the sum of 7/10 and 83 hundredths. Well, they already told us that that equals 70 hundredths plus, because it says sum, you're adding, plus 83 hundredths. So they have the same denominator, so you're going to leave it the same. Okay, you're going to add 70 and 83, and just looking at it, I think that's going to end up being more than 100, right? So let's see. So 83 plus 70. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So we get 153. Well, we've got to actually divide that because we can't leave that as an improper fraction right there. You need to have a mixed number. So what we can do is think in your head for a minute. So 1 over 1 equals a whole, right? So if we have 100 over 100, that equals 1, and then you would have 53 left over. There you go. So 1 and 53 hundredths, and you can't divide the 53 by anything, so that's going to be your answer. For number 4, what fraction of a turn is this angle? So it would be a half turn because you're going from here to here. You didn't go all the way around. So it would be a half turn for that one. And then, is this a line of symmetry? The answer is no, because if you fold that Pac-Man, you're going to be missing part of it. So the answer is no. All right, guys, check yours.